Hi, my name is Chris Okorie. I work for a company that promotes African businesses online, which is why I'm reaching you today. In my research for African businesses online, I discovered that you have a hosted website, richlandmarketafricanfood.com, which means that you pay for your hosting, your domain, and even your security HTTPS. Okay, so I'm here to show you some improvements you can make to increase your online visibility without even hiring me. So I'm here to review your site, audit it, and to give you some recommendation of things that can be done on your site. Okay, so I'm offering you a value that if necessary actions are taken, you are going to increase sales and reach out to more customers through updating this your website. So let's go down to your website now. I'm taking a look at your website. Of course, this is a very fine. I like this banner. It's a very good layout, text worded. Wow, this is indeed a good home page. I like the way the banner they are sliding, the logo. Okay, all right. So this is there are some okay, and I like the fact that you even know the importance of HTTPS, because HTTPS really includes site visibility and also for security, site security. Okay, and it's a very good thing that you have it here already. But look at your home page. This your home page a home page should be like a landing page. A landing page that will produce things like promo, coupons, get this, something like very sharp and convincing. Okay, so like these things now can be put on the sidebar here and do some designs here. This your graphic, this your slide can come up in such a way that it is going to take more space, and this place will now have something like coupons. This is your home page, which is your landing page, because anyone that is visiting this your site, most likely they will land on this place first before going to another page. So this front page needs sometime when I was searching, I noticed that you rank so high because of this the word, just repeating the same thing here. So there is a way this thing can be embedded and make it look professional, just the way your business is professional, your shop is professional. Okay, and now I look at the footer. I look at the Facebook, and this Facebook has nothing. You can see it's loading nothing. It takes you to empty URL, just bringing you back to the same page, to the same web page. But it's supposed to. But I guess you have a Facebook account. The same thing with Twitter. YouTube is taking you to another person. YouTube. Let me just click so that you can see what I'm trying to tell you. So it will take you to another person. I think maybe another company like that runs video SEO. Sorry, it's loading. You can see DFW local marketing and video SEO.
And welcome. You know how business is.
It's what is taking you, and is in your, also what is it doing in your website? What is it on your, so your Google My Business, your Google++, all this LinkedIn and Instagram, all of them, they have no link. They are just here, just like an icon without performing any action, which is not supposed to be so. And the footer here, this needs to be taken out. You need to get a professional work, get these things out so that every traffic coming should be coming to you because of your website, and not some of all these things bringing traffic to your site, even when this site is not useful for them. So the homepage need more work. Please, you need to take care of that. The navigation, of course, needs more work too. The way this is here, there's a way you can put this thing in such a way that it will be very high catchy and very attractive. That when somebody will flash here, they will say, wow, okay, let me try this out. Okay, then going to the next page, which is about us. So about us here, this thing alone should be on the blog page. This is we call it sidebar. There's nothing for them to search at this about us. There's no categories here. So this should be taken to the to the blog page. Although you don't have blog page anyway, but it's important to have one. So because on your blog page, that's where you now put most of all this, your words and everything. So, and this your about us page can be, some work can be done on it, making it better than all these things, because this is what you pay for every year. You know, and at least I think this you'll be paying for this like 4 good years. Okay, so you need to really maximize your investment. You know, you need to just spend more to do a good work. Can you see here? Show thumbnails. It's not supposed to be here. You know, now enjoy our product slide. You know, all these things. You know, it should just come up, you know, automatically, and everything well organized. And the next page, which is product page, you see the way it is listed. Product page. See the way it is listed. It's not here. No. It shouldn't be like this. You have a very nice shop. You have a very good, so you see this place, very nice shop. So all these things can be taken to the home page. You know, they will come and it will flash on their eyes. So when you come here, you now list all the products. People can even make the purchase online. They can make all the purchase online. So you put this should be every product that's in your store should be here, should be documented here. All right. Now the sales promo, you know, like this. I like the way you do use promo to increase sales. You know, that's a kind of it's kind of viral growth. You know, you're introducing. All right. So, but you know this promo, you see this thing is still here also. You can put it like coupons. You know, put it like somewhere here. You know, you can use the promo. You know, get people from social media, other sources, and they will land on your home page. So it shouldn't take this. It shouldn't be this way. So some work needs to be done in order to make it look better. All right. The same thing with a contact page. Contact, of course, you can use something like the map, a Google map, you know, to increase it. And all these things, this should go away from here. It doesn't. If you have a blog, then you can do a blog or news, you know, something like that, like a recipe, something, you know, people should learn. So from there they can easily visit and check out some of the products they might need. All right. So now when I now search African food in Dallas, Texas, African food, this Shuri African is coming here first. See Aso Rock, you know, they are all coming here. They have optimized their Google My Business, their Google My Business list. They have optimized their own, and that's why they are mostly they are taking over the front page and the first listing. So okay, see your own is down here. But some work more if the way it can be handled, this your website will be optimized. It will take here, there, you know, and take here position for, you know, selected keywords, like keywords that people search, like maybe African food, African shop near me, African shop in Dallas, African product in Dallas, you know, something, those keywords that you think that customers will want to type on Google. We can optimize it on the site in such a way that they can easily search and see your web page here. They can easily land to your home page or your product page. Okay, and the African spice in Dallas, you know, African, like this quick shop, South Africans is already here taking place, though you are here too. Okay, so actually this optimization is just coming because of, you know, I told you earlier that you have so many words, all this your home page, you know, because Google most likely when you have like, if you have like maybe up to 1,000 and something words, you know, it increases ranking. But you can notice that the problem with this is not about Google, it's not because of Google, it's because of the users. You know, the users, you should make it in such a way that it will be readable, you know, making it easier for people to really capture the information and, you know, go to and take action of buying. Not much spending time within all day, because they are too small. So it should be just like very, you know, very captivating. Take just the main point, go and buy. That is the purpose of everything is you buying, you know, buying the product. Okay, so actually that is there's a place you're ranking. Okay, like here you're ranking here. See, you're ranking third here. Still because of and you're ranking because of those your words, the way. So there are different words on your home page. Okay, so African shop in Dallas. Okay. You are still here, Richard Market Grocery. So it's because here you're ranking number 1. Okay, you're ranking there, and you can just see what the thing can say that if somebody click here, it's going to your land page. So when they get to your land page, they should something like maybe a kind of promo or a kind of display, something that they can really catch them. That will not lead them to visit visit the product page or where they can shop for what they want. And you know, there's there's some analytics tool that if they can be stored on your site, on this your website, you can actually know how many people are visiting my website every day, how many people are clicking, what they are really clicking, which page are they really coming, are they clicking on them, where are they coming? Are they coming from Facebook? Are they coming from search engines? Are they coming from referral? You know, you just know. You know, with this you can always, like, maybe if you don't even have time, you can just say, okay, at the end of every month, at the end of every week, I want to see, like, the number of visitors I have and where are they coming from. These are the things that optimize, and when you install some Google Webmaster Tools, they are going to give you those insights. All right, so now taking them to some professional analytical platforms. This page speed is 269, a good. Of course, it is. Mostly it is word based, not much of pictures there. All right, but still, the 2.45 megabytes. Even when you don't have much pictures, 2.45. So the little pictures there they have in there, they have like, you can see the picture, the image. They are taking much space. They are not optimized images. So you need to optimize the images and to reduce the size and also brighten them a bit, you know. And if you go down in this place, you can see that the image is the one taking about 88.4% of the bytes. So when the place, you can see the huge size is taking no much HTML, CSS, but the image is there. The image is taking much place. So if you really want to optimize your site to take over, you know, to stand out among others, you really need to put interest in this. And look, you can see the speed, Google Master Speed too. So this is exactly how your website looks when you open it with a mobile phone. Okay, and see the space speed is not available, and optimization is very low, 58/100. Okay, so and okay, this is for desktop. Optimization is 39/100, and this is how it looks on the desktop computer. Okay, so this is basically your SEO report. Like, your score is 56 over 100 compared, you know, with African Foods in Dallas. Okay, so this is expected what to be ranking, and among the three search engines, these are basically the positions where your website are found. Okay, and then these are on-site analysis which you've done. See, if this thing, like, you need to optimize the meta tags. You need to do so many, like, if you actually go come up to one of our, you can see here most of the plan things that when they are done on this site, your website can be optimized with any of this platform here. It's going to skyrocket. Serious. You're going to stand out. Okay. So, you know, one of mostly the purpose of the optimization that we're talking about is all about just to increase the better indexation of pages within the search engines. You know, Google, Yahoo, Bing, whoever that want to search, like, hey, I need African hair products. Your website should come up first. Whatever you think that customer could search for, it can be optimized on your website, and it will always come up first. Okay, and it will improve search engine positioning and placement, and improve overall traffic, sales, and conversions, and also correct any issues that lower your site or your overall performance. So when that's the reason, the reason we are doing this audit for you, just for you to know one of the things you can do for you to increase the utility of this one, because you know you are paying. Definitely, if you don't pay, maybe even if you sign it for 5 years, 10 years, once it expires, if you don't pay again, they will people can even buy this your Richland Market African Food Store. They will buy it and use it for their own this thing. So you have to keep paying. Pay for your HTTPS, pay for your domain, pay for your hosting, and the website is like this. No, just you need to, you know, invest more. It's really worth it. Really worth more, you know, investing so that it can really stand out. Just the way your shop is looking beautiful, your picture images are wonderful. So everything could be, you know, you can just come and say, wow, look at this, is so fine. Let me try out this store. Let me see how they are, you know, because their website is very good. Okay, All right, now I can take you to, okay, this is, you can see the company I work with, Ocotech Digital Innovations. So you can, this is Google AdWords, it's paid ad. It's paid ad, you just type, you just see everything about us here. You can see our Google map and everything, we just, but this company is here. Everything on all this page is just Ocotech Digital Innovation. It's everything here is about Ocotech. So I want to take you to one of the page we manage, which is Feco Food. So you can see, typing Feco Food, everything here is about Feco Food. We are taking place here. So we've really optimized our homepage in such a way that if you just type, it will just bring out the Facebook, the LinkedIn, the Twitter, everything about Feco Food. So from here now, people can easily trust, yes, this is a legit store, a legit company that that really offer services like as we said. And also, one of the keywords we are optimized African foodstuff supplier, because we want anybody that just type African foodstuff supplier, it should come to this it should bring them to our listing. So you can see that Feco Food is ranking second. So you can just read when somebody will say, you type African food suppliers, you now see find wholesalers, exporters, and this. Then the next one is African food supplier. Just like the way you typed it, the exporter, branding, packaging company. We are the leading and registered African foodstuff supplier, exporter, branded companies. We supply, process, brand, and package quality African products and all those kind of things. So you can see we've ranked this, and then imagine we are taking, we have jumped orders, staying at this position, which is correct, because most likely people will click either 1, 2, 3, 4. Within this space, that's a click. It has more click than every other place. Okay, and another one is African foodstuff product. Just African foodstuff, the same way. If we are ranking here too. The company is also ranking here. You can see the way they are ranking. This Google my listing, so they are here. Everything about it, they are all ranking, taking really maximizing the space. Ranking for this keyword, and again, this is a best-selling African food product. You see, Feco Food. It has been optimized in such a way that when people type, come up with this, and when you bring up this kind, when somebody will type it, from there they might look, okay, best-selling African food you must have in your African shop. Maybe I'm just clicking here, you read it, you might decide to like, okay, how can I get one? How can I get two? From there, that person will end up buying one of your products or something. Definitely, eventually becomes your customer. And another one, guys to import food items from Nigeria. Still, we are ranking here. Okay, we are ranking here. All right. So, and okay, this is actually our this packages that can really help you to do that. And I really want to clear this from you. Clear them. We are not scammers. We are here to promote African food stores. We supply also. We supply African food products. Definitely, if one of the things we always want our clients is that wherever their shop is located, we help the shop to stand out. We help them to take mostly their online presence. We can be helping you with your Facebook, your Twitter. Just get whenever new product arrives. Get the picture for us. Give us some little words you want us to write there. Tell us exactly what you want. We just do everything for you. You can be optimized. So this we have professionals. We have people that we work together to make sure that you will be at the top when people are searching for something related to African products, and regarding to anything that you're selling in your store. So the important point here is that I really did this for you. At least you should, even if you don't really want to hire us or you're still doubting, you just remember that others are still they've started doing so. There are many people that your competitors, they're already doing so. Some of them they've started buying the idea of optimizing their website. And mostly that things are now going more of online. People check things online before they come and buy. They would like to compare price, compare everything, compare nearness and everything, most likely, and quality before coming to buy. And people like to read review, like what this about this man's store and this man market. And like I said earlier, that your website is ranking very high, most likely because of the words that your web. But the disadvantage is that this is useful to Google, but not useful to not that 100% useful to the buyers. You understand? It's not that it will be very difficult for someone to just sit down here, read, you not see meet the same phone number. You read, you still meet this phone number. No, it should just be kind of attractive, draw attention, a kind of CTA, call to action that they want to, wow, like, oh, let me click to see something like that. So I hope that this short video it will be useful to you anyway. But in regard, I would advise you that you should look for someone to handle this project for you. Even if you don't want to consider us for that, please look for a professional, people that can do it for you, so that at least the website can stand out among many. Okay, and thank you for your time.